Well, we have a view. Really tall. Up in the sky. I'm in a 15th floor. But it's nice. Look at the view. Like, I don't know, the South Carolina thing. Myrtle Beach. Finally I could say it right. I used to say Missile. It's really nice. Enjoying the stay right here. Let me show you the goods. Ooh, this door is more heavy than me. But anyways, let me show you this room. They got all the good stuff for a good price. So don't mind my mess. This is the room right here. Pretty nice. Little TV here. Everything that you need. A big closet, actually. This is the bathroom, or restroom actually, right? That's how you say restroom, bathroom. Same thing to me. Like a little tub thingy. You could take bubble bath. Pretty nice, decent, clean, importante. And this is the kitchenette right here. You have, turn this off, show. Anyways, you have a full stove, huge microwave, all of this beautiful little cavities. Look at this. You even have a little fridge here that, no, that's not a fridge. Oh, sorry, my bad, guys. I got confused for a minute because I saw this. But this here is a freaking dishwasher. So, there we go. Cute, nice, small, comfy. Got all the tools that you need for the cooking, for eating. Cafe, you cannot go wrong with coffee. Refrigerator. I don't know what is in here. Ah, look at this. I didn't even discover this one yet. You got a freaking washer and dryer right here too. It's cute and comfy as well. It's not that big, that huge. It's just right in the spot. Then you have here little dining table. And over here, my folks, this is I don't know how they call it, but it's like a hidden bed that you can just pull this and you make it, you see, another extra bed. Plus I think this sofa right here is a sofa cama, that's how I call it, sofa bed. Got your table, your lights, you got your other TV that is a little bigger here in the sala, seats, drawers, and yes, this is the part that I'm going right here, my folks. You open this heavy baby because it's heavy too. Watch out with this. I almost fall yesterday night. And you step out and you see this other view right here, guys. Look at how awesomeness this is. Oh, we have like a fishing. Oh yeah, over there, right there is a fishing boat. What the fresh seafood. So yes, my folks, this is Avista Hotel. Anyways, I'm just letting you know. So if you guys plan to travel here, you know where to stay, just Google around. You might find better offers or better hotels depending what you want. But for me, for sleep, it's really good. It's really nice. Later on, I'll probably show you the indoor pool that they have and the outdoor pool as well. Anyways, ciao guys. See you in a little later.